come with us now, people. Transform it into 4 lanes. And as well, they have backfilled that end, you know, so you can have a continuous 4 lanes of traffic. Really help with easing the traffic congestion here in the Grand Depot. Welcome to my channel, guys. Yes, people, so we're back at it again. I'm gonna see if I can give you a drive-through right now of West Green Avenue, which is a sub-project of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. So come with us now, people. So I just pulled off of Howard Cooke Boulevard just now, entering West Green Avenue. So as you can see, they're gonna convert this section, you know, transform it into 4 lanes. Sorry, the entranceway to Megamart is blocked off. Yeah, they have dug up that section, having the roadway installed at that end. Yeah, look at the walls. Very big perimeter wall there. I'm gonna make a short detour right now so I can fly the drone over the West Green Avenue area. So if you want to see the drone shots, the full drone tour that is, you can go over to my main channel, which is Brown Boss Jamaica Tours. Alright guys, so I'm going back on the road right now. Gonna leave the parking lot area here of Megamart so I can continue my drive through of the West Green Avenue Road Rehabilitation section of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. So stay with me, guys. I'm going to exit right now. Yeah man, there's a deep gutter right there, so just gone over. Gonna go around the first roundabout. So this was like a detour section back in the day, but since the hurricane they blocked off the parts next to the catching all stadium. So now everybody just go around this roundabout, both sides. As you can see right now, oncoming traffic is coming this end as well. A lot of work going on at this end right now, my people. So I'm just giving you a drive-through right now. As you can see, there is the road extension towards the right. They have backfilled that end. You know, they dug up that section before and was like drenching the water. People were saying like it was the sea water. So I'm not sure if they've gotten it under control right now. I have posted videos on my channel before, on my main channel, Brown Boss Jamaica Tours, and people were saying like back in the day this area was like a swamp area. They used to grow rice at this area, especially the catching all entertainment section where some fest is held. Here guys, so they're smoothing out the road right now, smoothing out the aggregates so they can elevate it even more. So this is the other roundabout, and please bear in mind guys, they're going to have these roundabouts removed, all three of them, so you can have a continuous 4 lanes of traffic without any interruptions. So using this West Green Avenue Road, you can go straight onto Howard Cooke Boulevard and go straight to Crane Boulevard and join the Montego Bay bypass from that end. Yeah, so pretty neat, you know, a continuous road network that they have established here in Montego Bay. Let me know what you think about the progress so far in the comment section below. Yeah guys, it's really something right here for the second city, Montego Bay, and I know that this will definitely help with easing the traffic congestion here, because traffic in Montego Bay is no joke guys. If you ask anybody, it's no joke. So here is the last roundabout. As you can see, it's almost removed. Yeah man, so they're gonna have this removed as well, and we are just approaching the Grand Depot. So persons tend to you know, not abide by the road code, and they'll just take the shortcut right there at the roundabout and not go around it. Yeah, that's how Jamaicans drive guys, trust me. Prime example coming up here, you see this Jeep. He was unsure of where he wanted to go to. Alright, so I'm on Fairfield Main Road. If you go straight, that can take you below the interchange there at the Fairfield Main Road. And if you go left right now, you go on to Barney Street, and that's where the dual bridge is being built. They're building a second bridge so they can extend the roadways. Yeah man, they'll extend the roadway guys, so you'll have 4 lanes of traffic as well out by the Barney Street area at the bridge, and it will end at Cottage Road.